We have 6 mystery sabers coming in.
Wow. Thank you, Star Wars Theory. 32-inch. Hey guys, welcome back. It's getting dark. I actually want to try out my bracelet and compare that to the NeoPixel. So this is the one that I custom the other day. You can see that in my earlier videos. I want to try this out, but it's not going to be tonight. If anything, I want the bracelet here. Again, it's a nice pink. I like this one. You know, at first I was like, eh, it's okay, and then, you know, you grow into it, so. Okay, so that's the base. Lit, hollow. It's actually pretty simple. All you gotta do is just slide it in. There, just like that. I'll just tighten it down with the screw. Yeah, it's at night, so you gotta be really careful. Okay, so it looks like you gotta screw it in 3 different places on this one. So with the bracelet, it doesn't have to be, you know, all the way down on like the pixel blade, because it doesn't have to read anything. It's a hollow point, so when it ignites, it should, you know, should just work just like that. Of course, when igniting a hollow point bracelet, it is typically the light is a little less dim. Near the end of it, so now it's gonna be a couple minutes, so give me a second and we'll be ready. So I just put together the bracelet, and now I have I'm calling it the rubber band. Saber has 9 rubber bands on it. It is a NeoPixel blade, so just set this down. See it all the way. This is a 32-inch. Okay, that's good. Give me a minute and I'll tighten it down. Okay, so tighten it down on this. So we have the NeoPixel bracelet. First. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. This is the NeoPixel. Power on. minute. It's not saved down all the way. Alright, try again. There we go. Anyways, major difference with NeoPixel. Yeah, I'm not like gonna go around and, you know, whack it up against a tree, although, you know, Theory did that himself up against a tree. I'm not gonna do that.
Laid to second sister.
Just a hair. There you go.
My name is Jagan Gera. Night sister.
Alright, so the sound package that I got is the game sound package.
He's no good to me dead.
nothing too special for this episode. Just want to show it off at night. Anyways, that'll be it. See you guys next one.